This Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a marvel of modern kitchen technology, designed to make cooking more intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable. With 10 cooking functions and 18 unique features, this 6-quart multicooker stands out for its versatility and intelligence. From its built-in scale to the seamless integration with the Chef IQ app, this pressure cooker is equipped to handle a wide range of cooking tasks, making it an essential tool for any kitchen. Here's an in-depth review of its features and performance. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker boasts a sleek and modern design, with a high-tech full-color digital LCD and capacitive touch controls that respond effortlessly to a light touch. Its stainless steel finish not only adds a touch of elegance but also ensures durability. The cooker is equipped with cool touch handles, making it safe to move even when it's hot. The overall build quality feels robust, promising longevity and reliability. One of the standout features of the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is its integration with the Chef IQ app. This app connects to the cooker via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, opening up a world of culinary possibilities. With access to over 600 guided cooking recipes and culinary how-to videos, the app is a treasure trove of inspiration and instruction. The guided cooking feature is particularly impressive, offering step-by-step video instructions that sync with the cooker, automatically setting time and temperature parameters for each step of the recipe. The built-in scale is a game-changer for precision cooking. 4 integrated smart sensors accurately measure the weight of ingredients, allowing you to cook by weight rather than volume. This not only simplifies the cooking process by eliminating the need for measuring cups and spoons, but also ensures consistent results. The cooker even tells you exactly how much liquid is needed, taking the guesswork out of pressure cooking. Safety and convenience are paramount with the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. It features an innovative 3-method auto pressure release system that automatically releases steam at the end of the cooking cycle. You can choose between quick, pulse, and natural pressure release methods depending on your needs. This feature minimizes the risk of accidental burns and makes the cooker safer to use compared to traditional pressure cookers. With 10 cooking functions, this multi-cooker can handle a variety of tasks, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, searing, sautéing, steaming, baking, roasting, and even sous vide. It also has dedicated settings for rice and grains, ensuring perfect results every time. The Chef IQ app's cooking calculator includes over 1,000 presets, allowing you to input your ingredients and get precise cooking times and temperatures instantly. One of the most innovative aspects of the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is its ability to receive wireless firmware updates via the app. This means the cooker can gain new features and improve its cooking algorithms over time, ensuring it stays up to date with the latest advancements in cooking technology. In terms of performance, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker excels. The pressure cooking function is powerful and efficient, cutting down cooking times significantly while retaining the flavors and nutrients of your ingredients. The slow cooker function is equally impressive, producing tender, flavorful dishes with minimal effort. The sear and sauté functions work well, allowing you to brown meats and sauté vegetables directly in the pot before pressure cooking, which enhances the depth of flavor. The steaming function, when used with the included steam rack and basket, works perfectly for delicate items like fish and vegetables, ensuring they cook evenly without becoming waterlogged. The baking and roasting functions produce excellent results, with the cooker maintaining consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. Cleanup is a breeze with the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. The non-stick cooking pot and crisper tray are dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean up after meals. The exterior of the cooker can be wiped down with a damp cloth to maintain its pristine appearance. The built-in scale and smart sensors are well integrated and do not require special maintenance beyond regular cleaning. The cooker comes with several useful accessories, including a steam rack and steam basket. The steam rack is ideal for steaming larger items, while the basket is perfect for smaller pieces of food. These accessories are well designed and add to the overall versatility of the cooker. Conclusion: The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is an exceptional kitchen appliance that combines innovation, technology, and practical functionality. Its smart features, extensive cooking presets, and guided cooking capabilities make it a valuable tool for both novice and experienced cooks. Whether you're looking to whip up a quick weeknight dinner or experiment with gourmet recipes, this cooker has you covered. With its durable build, intuitive controls, and seamless integration with the Chef IQ app, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker offers a premium culinary experience that can transform the way you cook. Its ability to receive wireless updates ensures that it will remain a cutting-edge appliance for years to come. If you're in the market for a versatile, intelligent, and reliable pressure cooker, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.